Yes. Fast and the Furious. We're going to go today and say goodbye to the past. But here is the future.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man. It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like my blood pressure.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
You got it, boss. Well, it looks like you are moving on over to the loading docks. We have party buses ready and waiting to take you straight to the FBI. Mean the party. Oh, the FBI. This is a disaster. We're gonna have to pack up the garage, move to New York or Hollywood. Still not sure about that one.
Hey there, humanoids. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at Universal Studios, Florida for the final day of Fast and the Furious Supercharged. That's right, the much discussed, loved and hated Supercharged, closing forever. One last ride. Of course, they are building a new, or they have built, but it doesn't until next year, a new Fast and Furious roller coaster that'll be at the front of the park. Now this ride replaced what used to be Disaster, and then before that, Earthquake.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in your seats. We seem to be experiencing a slight earth tremor. It's nothing to be concerned about. However, to ensure that all passengers are allowed to leave the train safely,
And I think people might have preferred those two attractions a little bit more than this. But anyways, it's here, it did its thing, and now it's going bye-bye. So grab your keys and head right this way. You know what they say, it's always gonna be a good day when you're walking through the archway. Even if it's a little janky right now, we're still doing it. We're coming for you. All right, as you can see, they have already fully set up for Halloween Horror Nights. But we're not here for that today. But let's go see if we can see Hello Kitty around the corner here real quick. Well, hello Kitty, how are you? Oh, loving the fit, looking great. That's right. Oh man, I seen you hanging out with all the Universal Classics, Jaws, Back to the Future. You're a legend around these parts. Can we get a picture? Is that okay? Fantastic. Oh yeah. Here we are, the last hours of Fast and the Furious Supercharged. We got a DJ out here closing it out right. Like family, can I hear it?
Yes,
family.
one family.
Well, I never would have guessed that they would have wristbands for the final ride of Fast and the Furious, but not for Carousel of Progress. Wowza, wowza. There's Dom's car. Dom's car is facing out, so he can always be ready to hit the streets. right, got a one last ride certificate. And here's where Dom and the family would plan their hijinks and have a Corona or two. Just have Coronas on the table.
Dominic Toretto, the big man on this poster up here. He's currently on a race through San Francisco. When Dom races, he wins, and he likes to throw a party to celebrate, which means you guys are going to a party later. Wow, great energy, guys. All right, in the meantime, Mia's going to be calling me in like 3 seconds from now, so we'll just wait for that.
I bet 10 seconds.
She got that wrong. Groundhog Day for me. Hey, Mia, what's up?
Hey Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yeah, why don't you say what's up to them for me?
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother and another car for his selection.
Nice.
I don't know why anybody challenges him.
I think he cheats.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room.
That's this
My
room.
brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Aww.
And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together.
She is so corny.
So, welcome to our family.
Hey, welcome to the family, everybody. Speaking of family, Tej, you're up on the break room monitor.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
Wow.
Great. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat.
Yeah?
Get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Hey, you got it, buddy. Peace.
Peace.
Doing traffic control for Dom, making sure he makes it back from his race safely. He's over by the Golden Gate Bridge, heading back towards the Embarcadero. That's where Sullivan's Garage is. That's where the party is. We're tracking a... There he is. Hey, Tej.
Jamie, the buses are here.
Great, let's get these people out and on their way to the party. Oh, it's Dom. I got this.
I got this, Jamie.
He's got this.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Wait, what?
Man, they always ruining our fun.
It gets worse.
How?
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses. You need to start bugging out right now. And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I'm on it.
I'm on it.
He's on it.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word.
Tell everyone.
But keep it in our family.
Just in this room.
And keep it quiet.
Never mind, don't tell anyone. Oh, it's Hobbs.
It's Hobbs.
It's Hobbs.
Hobbs, my man. What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Civilians, I thought they were family.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man. It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like my blood pressure.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
You got it, boss. Well, it looks like you are moving on over to the loading docks. We have party buses ready and waiting to take you straight to the FBI. Mean the party. Oh, the FBI. This is a disaster. We're gonna have to pack up the garage, move to New York or Hollywood. Still not sure about that one.
Alright, here's the space right before you load on, and there's an Easter egg over here. Tributes to the old attractions. Those power boxes. The first one says EQ, which is Earthquake, 1990. Next one is D for Disaster, 2008. And then Fast and Furious, 2018. So the other two are turned off, and Fast and Furious is on. I wonder if they'll hit the switch tonight. Our party bus has arrived. Another little Easter egg for the original attraction here, Earthquake, Embarcadero. Here we are on the party bus. One last ride. Get up, get up.
Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from shop, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, you got a problem? We deal with it together.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving. Get out.
Yeah, get it, girl.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phone. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried.
This is our turn.
After them.
Okay, guys, it's your time. Come to the left. This thing ain't going fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You get to the witness terminal and we call it a day. The witness is mine, Letty.
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away. Find the door.
Way to go, Letty. Not gonna happen.
It's a drone, by the way, not a helicopter. It's a drone.
Roman, don't shoot. Head for the bridge. Under construction. Hit the matrix. Ride and die.
Yeah, come on now, party people. There it was. Peace out, party bus. So I'm pretty sure this is where the old ride entrance was for disaster and earthquake. Theater would have been right in there, and then you walk out to get on the subway station. Now it's a party bus. There it is. Now we're gonna pick up the One Last Ride t-shirts. Here, the final day, Fast and Furious Supercharged. And There's a line. Check out. Crazy. That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, if you can't be fast, then be furious. And if you can't be fast or furious, then just go home. We'll see you next time. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe and tell a friend. Hello. It's from Killer Clowns. There's humans in there. Go save them. It's cotton candy cocoons. Come on, David, go save them.
That's pretty cool. Do they turn into butterflies?
I think they turn into killer clowns.
Metamorphosis.
There it is. There's the future of the Fast and the Furious. Hollywood Drift. Much excitement. 2027. Oh yeah.